Good day, Ma'am, sir. I am Irene Musulman. I'm 35 years old. I live in Corop 3, Das Edimocor location, Davao City. I have living partner with 3 kids. My first daughter is 15 years old and my second son is 13 years old and my youngest is 11 years old. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia and my first employer is I stay with them in 4 years and 6 months with 6 kids. The eldest is 18 years old, the second is 17 years old, and the third is 15 years old, and the fourth is 10 years old, and the youngest is twins, which is 6 years old. My terms of duties is cleaning the house and ironing clothes, washing clothes, and cooking. My second employer, I stay with them at 3 years and 6 months with 2 kids. The eldest is 18 years old and the youngest is 15 years old. My terms of duties is cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cooking. Ma'am, sir, if you hired me as your nanny, I do everything as long as I can, and I promise I am a good helper. Thank you.